Me never know the day would have come when me see on Facebook where Ashanti who open up Dana backside, have knife and fork and yam Dana stool. Ashanti can't talk to nobody. You is a dog to your vomit. Ashanti is a dog to your vomit. You can't talk to nobody. Not nobody on Facebook can matlock. I first never see this in history. I don't know what look down a batty hole. I use knife and fork and yam out down a stool. You can't talk to nobody. Who said table? I use knife and fork and go in a plank a batty hole gun yam. No. I don't want to cuss on Facebook. So, on a nyam on a vomit. Yo, and the whole out on nyam on a vomit. Wanna see me near my vomit? I wanna see what people batty, get knife and fork and spread tablecloth. And near out of people batty. No. Who else for social media? Who else for social media? Oh, one set of people. What McDonough batty hole and near out with knife and fork. After uno go and so in all these history. Move on a blood clot, me no near me vomit. Wanna call me out of my blood clot bed for. Take me trim me a shit and go no. Dirty Matlock you no live nowhere. Matlock you no look good. Look for 50-year-old. You want me show you how my front fucked and look good. Don't make me get over there. Oh no vomit. Move! So! Your cap drop if anyone out there have no cap. Who know the only smarty pan blood clot social media. We take knife and fork go up. The same stinking front woman and the stinking this woman who take knife and fork and near out her body. That who no do. Who can't talk to me. When the blood clot who not call me out of my bumbo clot bed. Dirty nasty thinking Matlock. Where you call me out of my bed, boy? Sour fly. You can't show your kin. Look for you on Facebook and nobody can see your dirty girl. All you do now, in the hen, before you show up your blood clot self. All you can come out and chat about a people picnic. Bible batty bashers. Cunts. Me no respect none of blood clot uno. None of uno me no respect. Uno a cult. I first me see people take knife and fork set table and near out of people but near back your vomit. All of that stinkness you swallow. All of that nastiness you go to Canada go near that. You can't talk to me. Which one I know? But like can show your little nasty dirty self. Down to the picture where you have per WhatsApp. That's why you block me. You could have blocked me. And me have 10,000 old phone in my house. Me not a new one. Me have 10,000 old phone. You don't think me would have find you? That's why me go put you on your old phone and you she night. A long time your blood clot terrorize me. You don't see it? Me story has G, just one G. And when you come up, you're she. Dirty stinking girl. You're first girl when me see use knife and fork and eat pum pum. You're near out of the woman body. Right now the woman can't fart in peace. Look pa uno. Where come out? Uno near out back every last part of uno vomit. And then dirty people that we are calling and say Erica. Uno see where me there. Uno look here. Ashanti. Matlock. Look again. This is me bad. Uno can't talk to me. Look at me bathroom. In the middle of a while ago here. See me shots there, beard me down beard. That's why I take it entirely thrown. Look for me blood clot bathroom. Here I echo. Look for me bathroom. I don't want to see my blood clot bed around. Uno no shame. Uno no shame. Uno see me have knife and fork and them out of body batty. Who sure to see me and have knife and Ashanti and Matlock. Uno dead long time. And now me never know Ashanti would have been down use knife and fork near out of Dana Batty. Eh? You're the first somebody me know with knife and fork and near out of Batty. You remember how Dana did stink? You remember everything about Dana? Where you put up? No, you miss a Canada round table with necktie and yam all of Dana waist. Oh no. Oh no. You have to even fly on yam Dana waist. Oh no. Oh no. Want to compare with Ashanti people pay your rent. People pay your rent. Ashanti a car you live in. Ashanti, oh, you want me go up on me pum peak top. You ever see me set table with no blood clot knife and fork and you back all of me vomit? You can't come talk to me. You see my son depend as no be man. Your son profile. Go look funny. At least you can't tell me say my son profile stay so. Your son profile. People go look for Ashanti son profile. And talk truth. When the blood clot you come and come take your cuss me. In Ashanti, what you bring here? Go take out the cotton them out of your blood clot nose, cause you're a walking blood clot then. Are you dirty thinking nasty sour Matlock? I first woman me know use knife and fork and near mouth woman underneath of you. Are you? Me sure you near mouth the back the whole all the word the way you chew up and down and you go back underneath they go near everything. You never reach Canada but you set table. You can't talk to me. You can't put on my head. My head is up high. No time. And you see talent when me send you see how in the clean on your blood clot face. Uno near no vomit on social media. It's a come back come look. Don't come look for me. You no build Peace Street if it drying up for me. When? Uno near no vomit. Uno used to have face on social media. Uno give up uno stripe. Stripe uno come look. When you come worse than dog. All want to talk on social media from Wappy Kill Philip. I see you take knife and blood clot fork. And sit down in a necktie. A red suit Ashanti. And your name back every word. Go by your son page. Tell the people on social media to go on your Chris Siso. So when he go there, him have seen that it is his daughter, him sister, and he never bother put it up. So after the top, take your cuss compare, and nobody no send you go near me your blood clot vomit. Right now, part of Dana pum ear. Stand up, talk, fry you go near me the whole underneath Dana. All of them thinkness the way you say under Dana. You don't notice your voice gone down. Go get out the piece of blood clot pussy here with top cross where your throat. Go get out that piece of pussy here out of your throat. Don't have nothing. Yes, sister Fry, you go up and there, boy, you apologize and take knife and fork and yam out under Dana. Piece of the ear stop cross where your blood clot throat. You sit here today, so you talk as so you drink. So you talk as make I tell you something. Go make somebody take a tweezer and pick out Dana ear from cross where your blood clot throat. Oh.